everyone, this is Renee Romeo of ReneeRomeo.com. You're in for a treat this week. I'm doing something a little bit different with this video from my spring cleanup lawn and landscape checklist video. Hey Sully, he's gonna help me out as I present all of these little snippets around my yard. I've been really busy at work over the past 2 weeks getting everything cleaned up in a nice, neat way. I've put down mulch, I've used all kinds of equipment, and Home Depot sent me this really nice gift pack, so I'm using all these products on my outdoor landscape areas to keep them tidy and to keep them bug-free. So please sit back, grab a cup of coffee or tea, and enjoy the show. Love the fact that you can stay home and do this all on your own to repel mosquitoes for up to 8 weeks. And with a fan spray, you can get all of your shrubs too and make sure mosquitoes don't eat all your guests.